What's up guys, my name is Joey and in this video we will be discussing the new play to earn game called cosmicclash and basically determine if this is a game you should invest in, yes or not. So let's dive straight into it guys. You probably know it by now. We first take a look at the website, their design, their game, their team, and basically determine if it's worth a deeper investigation, right guys? Because we research a lot of games and projects each and every single day. We need to be quickly able to determine if it's a gem or not, okay? First of all, the website doesn't look that good guys. The design doesn't look great to me. It seems like a design that came out of 2002. And what I found quite hilarious, when I googled sci-fi game 2002, I got a few screenshots from all the games that are sci-fi related, and they look even better than what is proposed as of currently for the website cosmicclash, okay? But graphics doesn't mean a lot if the gameplay is really good, okay guys? Because we have, for example, we have RuneScape, Minecraft. They don't have the best graphics, but they are highly successful. So we always have to relativate that for ourselves as well, because gameplay is king guys. At least that's my opinion. So let's go a little bit further guys. Play to earn. To start off, you can obtain a starship cards. I already dislike the cards guys, because that is usually very lazy, through a Milky Way pack drop or through Atomic Hub. From there you can send your ships on a mission to earn FGL tokens. The more powerful the ship that you send on a mission, the more tokens you will earn. Battle your way to the top of the leaderboards to earn more powerful ships. Be the first to uncover the new frontier and trade the most powerful ships from newly discovered galaxies. So the first idea that I'm getting, that this is again guys a staking mechanism disguised in the game, because basically you need to buy a card, you need to stake your card or send it on a mission to be able to earn a token, basically stake your NFT. Okay guys, so let's go further down. Missions. Send your ships on missions to earn lucrative VGL tokens. Yeah, this definitely sounds like a staking mechanism guys. That's not really a game. That's not something that I'm looking forward to, because there are so many more possibilities to combine game development with the blockchain guys. This is a very lazy approach if it is what I think it is, and that's definitely not something that I will be interested in. Win battle. Gather VGL tokens to deploy your fleet into battle. I think it's an auto battle system. If it's not, then it might be interesting, but from what I'm getting now, it's an auto battle system. Defeat your opponent by collecting and arranging a more powerful space armada to send into battle. I'm not sure what an armada is guys, but that's probably my ignorance. Unlock new galaxies. Be the first to unlock new galaxies and an entire new set of more powerful starships. Discover new ships. Discovers the latest and greatest ships in the new galaxy. The more powerful a ship, the more you can earn on mission. Build your fleet. Build your armada. Armada is probably a synonym for fleet, I guess. I'll have to look that up after this video. By trading NFTs on the Atomic Hub, find the perfect fleet formation to defeat your enemies. Advance to higher level galaxies to unlock more powerful starships, so you can play the game. Not gonna do that yet, guys. I first want to take a look. So this is the Atomic Hub market. I personally do not like the Atomic Hub. The whole wax chain I find a little bit tedious in terms of usability. I think other chains do that way more efficiently, but that's just my opinion, guys. There are a lot of people out there that really think the wax chain is absolutely great. So it's basically a matter of taste, okay guys? So here you can see the different ships. So I believe that these are commons or rares, and then when it gets to epics and higher, they have a little bit of an animation going on. Not too interesting, guys. It looks like a sci-fi game, and there are so many of these type of games available, okay guys? So and especially if it doesn't provide any gameplay, but it's basically again a staking mechanism disguised in a game, that would be really bad. Here we can play. We will do that a little bit later, or we will look up a video to showcase how the game plays, because I think it's a staking mechanism again, and I'm not gonna buy ships to be able to showcase that. That will be ridiculous, because if that is the case, then this is definitely not an interesting project. Defeat the competition. Create an armada. I really want to know what armada means, guys. Damn. The most powerful starships in your fleet to defeat your enemies and unlock the new galaxy. Yeah, basically the same text as we already read, guys. Collect all ships. I don't really have the need to be very honest with you guys. The roadmap, that is something that I always find interesting, because here we can also determine how serious a certain project is. It sounds weird based off a roadmap, right guys? But it really tells us a lot, because if a roadmap is very detailed, then it tells me at least that the team behind the project is very serious and determined to reach their goals. Because if they have like times set up, like for example the end of January 2022, then that means that it's a pretty strong deadline. Whereas you can also be a little bit more vague about it. For example, somewhere in 2022, that tells me that really it's basically a bad thing. I also would like to see a detailed roadmap. So if they list any features like, hey, new upcoming features, I want to know what these features are, because if they don't list those features, tells me that they didn't really think about it yet. They just postponed that for the future. Like, yeah, we will think about that in a year from now. Not now, we can't be bothered. But if they already thought about how their entire game looks like, then they will list those features. Okay, that makes common sense for me at least, and maybe it does for you too. Remember, guys, develop your own identity as an investor. Only take things you find interesting from my approach to the market as an investor. Apply them to yourself, debate them, iterate them, etc. So let's take a look. Initial Milky Way galaxy backdrop. Game opens, leaderboard begins, season 1 ends. Top of leaderboard is whitelisted for the next backdrop. It's a little bit weird, guys. Third galaxy NFTs created, available to earn in game. Fleet commander backdrop. They are only talking about packs. I absolutely hate that, guys. I'm very allergic to projects that are only talking about their token or pack sales or NFT sales. I really don't care about your freaking assets, guys. Sell me your game first. You know, invite me to your new, unique universe where I can immerse myself and already be fantasizing how that would play out if I would play the game, right, guys? If I want to buy packs, I go to the store, I buy a Pokemon pack to get physical cards, for example, not digitally, guys, especially when there's no gameplay attached to it, then it's really not interesting for me. Let's continue. It doesn't say a lot, guys. Fleet commander pack drop, Q3 2022, fourth galaxy NFTs created. Of course, let's create more NFTs, guys, to sell them. Yeah, absolute garbage, guys. Upgradable command. Ship packs drop. Again, another pack that has dropped. New galaxies, guild combat, and much more to come. Yeah, this is a shallow sentence. Much more to come. They didn't think about it yet, guys. They only thought about, hey, we need to launch new packs and new commander packs or whatever, upgrade packs, new packs, basically. They want to sell you guys new packs, but new gameplay, nah, they are not interested in that, guys, because they only want to sell you guys packs. That's what I'm getting from this roadmap. It's a very big red flag for me. Follow along. Again, guys, no LinkedIn hyperlink. This picture looks very bad too. It's definitely doesn't treat my interest. If we scroll continue down, we see the company or publisher behind the game, which is FGL.com, based in Santa Monica, CA, which I believe is California. But their team, do they have a team? But yeah, they do. Okay, so let's click on the team right here. Team cosmicclash is a collaboration between VGL and Mango Studio. Lucrative Gaming, aka VGL, was founded in 2007, pioneered web games, helping web and flash developers get their games published and distributed at a time when the web game market was considered the Wild West. Adapting to an ever-changing market, VGL later assisted developers in becoming successful on mobile. Getting over 50 games into the various top 10 charts in mobile app stores. I want to check that out because 9 out of 10 times that's absolute bullshit, guys. VGL has worked with over 70,000 developers across web and mobile and has a vast experience with making games successful across both platforms. VGL has successfully helped game developers making millions of dollars annually for over 14 years, and we have no intention of slowing down. Yeah, that would be quite weird, right, if you have the intention of slowing down anyway. Mango Studios was founded in 2013 and is home to a team of skilled artists, animators, game developers, and key QA testers. Equipped with industry standard tools, okay, the Adobe package, I assume, and the experience of developing hundreds of games, Mango offers every service needed in the game development cycle. Angela Bankers, again, guys, I can't click on anything. They don't show a hyperlink to the LinkedIn. Why? Like, come on, guys, it's so simple to link. Like, it's so simple because you already link your Discord and your Twitter. Why not link your LinkedIn? Come on, be transparent. Also, guys, these pictures, like, am I on Snapchat or something? Because this is not really professional to me, guys, personally. Maybe I care too much about these things. I don't know, but this doesn't really look professional to me. Like, why would I start investing my money into a guy laying on a couch and another guy that looked like he smoked a bong and is now laying on the corner of his couch hugging his dog? Again, guys, maybe I'm nitpicking, but that's just my opinion. I want to see some professionalism going on. And yeah, I don't get professionalism and dedication and ambition from these guys. Okay, guys, quite funny though. Anyway, let's go continue down. Okay, Angela. Okay, this is bad, guys. Again, this is the name and the title should be below the name. A design flaw, which is bad in my opinion, because I want your website to be functioning properly and also designed properly. You say you're working with a Mango Studios, which is a graphic design studio, but yet again, they don't seem to really do their job. It's definitely something. If I worked for this company, I would definitely instantly write a message to Mango Graphic Design Studios and be like, hey guys, look at this. That's not very nice, not very professional. Dave Fleming, testing, Aaron Perez, art production, lead artist, testing, okay, QA. All right, well, fortunately, I was able to find the guy Roger Bankers, which is this guy. I couldn't find a lot, guys, on the guy. It's true, he works for FGL. I don't personally know the company, but if we look up FGL company, it is 19 employees currently. All the players or the whole team that are listed on the cosmicclash page are also listed on the FGL page, so that's all true, guys. So FGL is working on the game cosmicclash, which is a good thing. It's not bad. So this is VGL, guys. I instantly want to see their portfolio because they say that they are, you know, designing basically the top of the top games, which is 9 out of 10 times not the case. So I always do a backup check for myself to see if that is the case. So let's see if I know any of these games. Mystery Society, I don't know that. Bingo Quest, don't know the game. Clicker Mine, Idle Tycoon, also don't know the game. Home Designer, don't know the game. Hungry Pet Mania, Grams Got No Breaks, Coastal Hill Mystery, Word Alchemy, Jane Village, Mayong Flower Garden, Tap a Pekka, and Christmas Crush, sorry. Yeah, guys, I do not know all these games, but that might be my ignorance. Let's just check. Yeah, these are not the best of the best games, guys. These are not the top of the top games. Sure, like, they will definitely rake in a certain avenue each and every single year because mobile application games are can be highly lucrative, guys. It doesn't really matter what they are 9 out of 10 times. Even if you have a small player base, then it can already rake in a pretty big, hefty revenue each and every single year. You don't even have a very big player base. That's basically the point that I'm trying to make. These are not the best games, guys. If we look at their showcase right here, VGL Indie Showcase, let's take a look. Crash Cars Demolition. Yeah, again, guys, not the best games. So that's just a brand out lie, okay, guys, because it's not Clash of Clans, it's not Minecraft, it's not Pokemon Go, it's not, you know, the other types of very famous games, Candy Crush, for example. It's not any of those. So top 10 charts in mobile app stores, maybe in the daily chart, maybe, but then again, I highly doubt that. It's just, I think they're lying over here because they do not back up their data, okay? Because if that's the truth, then they would be definitely market that on their homepage, for example, stating that fact, right, guys? That's what I would do if I was working on a marketing team. If I would be top 10 in one of these games, I would be listed that as a marketing approach, right, guys? VGL again does have a LinkedIn page. We already went there, so it's not really that interesting. We can just do a double check, but yeah, we can see that's true. So, you know, but again, it happens too much. So always do a backup check, guys, because I think it's a bad thing when they're lying about it. Of course, they're trying to look better than they are. I get it because many people do that. It's not that bad, but yeah, I don't know. I don't really like that approach. But let's take a look at their design company that they teamed up with called Manga Design Studio. Hello, we are Mango. We help business owners generate more sales and thrive in this digital era through effective brand strategy and digital marketing. Okay, so this is just a graphic design studio, guys. You can clearly see that they're making all kinds of things, which makes me a little bit wondering why they teamed up with this company. Maybe they also create assets for games, but I can't really see that now because they do logo design, you know, identity company designs, food marketing, but I don't really see games in here. So I'm not really certain why they teamed up with this company. And this is very bad. They are a design company, guys, but half of their text is being hidden by picture right here. This is very bad, guys. If you are a graphic design studio and you can't even properly design your own website, oof, 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 oof. So overall, guys, I'm already getting a very lazy approach for a game. It seems like that this company wants to jump on the NFT bandwagon and try to earn a buck because it's very lazy, guys. I don't want to play the game myself, so I looked up another YouTuber that did that for me called Play to Earn World. If you want to give that guy a follow or a sub, please do so.
One that's really strong. Now I need to deploy them for battle, and this will cost me 1.0.189 to do so. Let's go and deploy. It's gonna ask me to confirm that I'm gonna spend these tokens, and of course I need to sign for that transaction. Now, like I said,
You have to feed it the enemy. Okay, so this
automatically.
battle is automatically, like I said before. So that's exactly what I thought, guys. All the battles are automatic. When we scroll a little bit further, where you can see that you don't really have to do anything. You basically buy an NFT. You click on go, which you can see right here. I don't know if you guys can see it correctly. You can see the time it takes for the ship to bring back their token, right, guys? It's a staking mechanism disguised in a game. Don't get it twisted. It takes 1 hour for this ship to come back, basically. So you click on go. It does it automatically. You don't have to do anything. And that's bad. That's very bad, guys. I would highly suggest you to not invest in this game because it doesn't host any USPs. It's not unique in any way. The graphics look lame and outdated. It's a staking mechanism disguised in a game, guys. And remember, staking is not really a utility. Okay, so don't get that twisted, guys. And also, there are already so many competitors within the sci-fi niche, within the sci-fi blockchain niche. There are already so many better companies and games out there in the sci-fi genre that have gameplay. You know, you can control your ship. At least you can upgrade your ship. You can walk around in your ship, even in in some of these NFT sci-fi blockchain games. And this is just very lazy. It's automatic. Ships are basically cards which you have to stake and then come back within an hour to claim your token. It's very boring, guys. This is not going to be a success. In their roadmap, they're only talking about sales and upcoming sales, which is a very bad approach. Their whole design is lacking. They have many design flaws. They teamed up with a design company that can't even properly design their own website. Yeah, this is a skip, guys. This doesn't need further investigation. This is definitely not a gem. But remember, guys, be a leader in this space and do not be a sheep. So always create your own identity. That is the most important. Create your own voice and take anything I say with a grain of salt as well. Peace out.